Australians love our eggs, and we eat 17 million of them every single day, and a lot of that happens at breakfast time. Today, on our journey around favourite egg dishes of the world, we're going to Mexico for an excellent Mexican breakfast, Migas. These are the ingredients we're working with. Some leftover corn tortillas, a few things to go on top, salsa, coriander, bit of cheese, some diced onion, and some avocado, and of course, eggs. I want to start by tearing up my tortillas. You could slice these, but I think they're better when they're torn. You want them to be bite-sized pieces. This really should be on your menu for breakfast on Wednesday morning after Taco Tuesday, if that's what you do in your household. Okay, there's our tortillas. Now for our eggs. A couple of eggs per person. You could use a few more if you wanted to. I'll just beat up the eggs. Now I'll take the tortillas and the eggs over to the stove, and when we come back, we finish it off with this stuff. So this is basically a two-stage cooking process. The first thing you want to do is get a pan nice and hot and a pretty generous amount of oil, because I want to crisp the tortillas, then I add the eggs and mix it through. It's that simple. Bit of salt to help that crisp too. Now we can put in the eggs. And it's really up to you how well you want your eggs set. Some people like them a little bit firmer. I like them like this, a little bit softer. So now, back over there to finish it off. All right, here's our migas. Now the great thing about this is you can put anything you like on top of it. I'm gonna go for some salsa. Bit of onion. I'm gonna chop some avocado as well. Some cheese. Mexican style cheeses can be a bit hard to find in Australia, so if you don't have access to some queso fresco, you can always use just a little bit of mild feta instead. A bit of coriander. And a touch of black pepper. Not a bad breakfast. Mexican migas. Give it a go yourself next time you have tacos for dinner, and don't forget to vote for your favourite egg dish.